All right, team. Men of Peace Operations Group is on our way into Venezuela to help the response to the absolute catastrophic disaster that took place a few days ago with all the earthquakes. And we have assembled roughly a 30-man team of first responders from obviously the U.S. and other Latin-speaking nations. We are going in really to help organize efforts and really work with the teams that are on the ground. You know, after the first 48, 72 hours, the guys that have been there doing all the work, they start getting exhausted. So hopefully when we show up, it's going to be really a breath of fresh air to get on the pile with, the guys have been working to try to figure out who's still alive in some of these structures. The amount of damage is absolutely devastating, and it's hard to even quantify. So the reality for us is the more operators we can get in and the longer we can be on ground there is going to be contingent on, same thing as always, funding. So stay tuned, look for videos, and I'll go live and different things like that to help you guys understand the reality and to tell the story of the people there on the ground. If you want to help our efforts, please, by all means, use our Give, Send, Go link on the ground out there. It's taken us about 48 hours to work through all the logistics to get out here and to get our teams out here. But we're coming in with drones, we're coming in with Starlinks. My partner, Steve Slepcevic, Special Response Partners, he's on our chair here at Man of Peace, and he's bringing 35 years of wide area disaster experience and knowledge, and his manpower, is of that same pedigree. And so we're looking forward to getting there and serving and supporting the efforts. And we've got an amazing network and amazing capabilities we're going to bring to bear to try to do as much good on ground and really try to demonstrate, God's love and kindness, but also competence when it comes to helping the people of Venezuela. So if you want to help us, the link's beneath the screen. If not, just stay tuned and watch the efforts. God bless, Semper Fi. Christ is King, more to come.
And then I heard the voice of the Lord saying, "Whom shall I send, and who will go for me?" And then I said, "Here am I. Send me."